Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Printed Mint account to your Etsy shop. Step by step, nice and easy. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Create your Printed Mint account. First, head over to printedmint.com and click Sign In. If you don't already have an account, creating one is super easy. Just enter a username, password, and the email you would like to use. Once you're in, go to Account Settings. You can find this on the top right under your name and fill out your business information. So go right here under your name, go to Profile, and make sure you fill this out. Next, head to Payment Method. You could find this on the left side and add your payment details. So right over here, Payment Method, right there, and add a payment. Pro tip, make sure your billing address matches your credit card. Otherwise, you might get one of those lovely payment decline messages later. We don't want that. Once your Printed Mint account is all set up, let's connect your Etsy store. From your Printed Mint dashboard, look on the left side about 5 menus down. You'll see Connected Shops. So go right here to your dashboard and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Connected Shops. Click on that. Next, you want to choose Etsy. This is the first one out of all the options. So click right here on the Etsy. Next, if you're not already logged into Etsy, this will ask you to log in. If you are, it'll bring you here, asking you to grant them access. Read over everything you need to read, and then click Grant Access. This may take a minute or two. Congrats, you're connected. You'll know it worked when your Etsy shop appears under your connected shops, right up here. So make sure you see that. If it doesn't show right away, don't stress. Just go over here and refresh the page, and it should pop up in a few seconds. Next, let's set up your essential settings so everything runs smoothly. Here's what you want to check out. Packaging. Printed Mint lets you brand your boxes, add your logo, thank you cards, or even a funny sticker if that's your vibe. Next is shipping. Flat rate is the default, but choosing cheapest method can save you a few bucks if you're using autopay. Order filtering. Great if you use multiple print-on-demand services. It keeps your orders organized. Billing and autopay. Pick your payment method and decide if you want orders to process automatically. Notifications. You can turn off emails, but I recommend keeping them on. Once you are satisfied, click on Save Settings. Step 4. Design your first product. All right, now for the fun part, designing your first product. Printed Mint has over 300 items to choose from, but today we'll go with the classic t-shirt. Head to the product category, which is right here on the left, or hover over products on the top, click that, go to apparel, which is right here, then t-shirts and tanks. It'll show you all the t-shirts that are available. I'm going to use the Bella Canvas unisex tee. Click either the shirt image or the paintbrush icon. If you click the product image instead of the paintbrush, which I'll show you right now, just scroll down a bit after the page loads and you'll see the design option right there. Upload your design, choose the placement, front, back, or both, and then click your background color. I personally go with transparent. Let me show you how this is done. Go to Files. I already have an image there. If you would like to change the size, there are two options. You can either click on the top left of your image and make it large or small, or go over to Scale that's right here, and you can do it from there. Underneath that, you can flip vertically if you would like, or horizontally. Alignment, you could put it directly in the middle, push it all the way to the top or to the bottom, to the left or to the right. I like mine to the top and then drag down a bit. Perfect. Design view is where you can decide whether you want this to be on the front, the back, or both. You choose your background color. Like I said, mine is transparent. The colors on top will show you exactly how it looks right now. You'll be able to choose all the colors you would like in the next section. You can also add text and a little clip art if you like. Once you're happy, click Next on the top right to preview your design. On this page, you can choose which shirt colors you want to offer. You can also reorder the mock-ups. Let's say you prefer this picture better than the primary. Click and hold on the one you like and drag it to the top. Once you're satisfied, go back to the top right and click Next. Here is where you can set your retail prices. For example, for the small, if I go in and click 24 and then click out, you'll see your profit margin right here on the right. You can also update your product name. I'll go with Golden Horse. If you need help with the description, Printed Mint even has a built-in AI tool. Just click to provide a few details and it'll generate a description for you. Let's try it now. Title Golden Horse, about the product. Let's say Pixel Needed Art Horse. You can make this a short, medium, or long description. We'll keep it at medium for now. Style, let's try sarcastic. Target demographic, everyone. Collection, use emojis. We'll leave that at no. Generate. Let's see what it came out with. Also known as the Golden Horse because obviously everyone needs a pixelated horse on their shirt, which is true. Perfect. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Open. This final page gives you the option to send to shop. If your Shopify store is already connected to Printed Mint, it'll show up right here. Not connected yet? No problem. We've got a separate video that shows you exactly how to do it. After clicking Send to Shop, you will see two options, Send as Draft or Send as Active. Let's look at those now. Select Send as Draft for now. I've got a few more customization tips to show you before we publish. Step 5. Check it in Etsy. After sending your product, it might take a minute to show up in Etsy. Once it's ready, go to your Etsy Shop Manager, then Listings. You could find this on the left side of the page, right here. On the right side of the page, right over here, you'll see your drafts right under Active. It's not active right now. You'll see it in Drafts. Click on Drafts. And you should see your product right here. If it hasn't appeared yet, just refresh or wait another minute. It'll show up shortly. Click onto the product to open it. Here, we can make any edits or updates. Let's check to make sure everything looks good. Golden Horse title. If you like, you can actually add graphic tee. I notice here I only see one of the images. That's really easy to fix. Let's go back into our printed mint. And if you're not already on this page, let's go there directly. Go back to your dashboard, my products. Okay, right here where my mouse is, you can download the mockups and add them manually. So let's click that. It'll go right up here. And then open it up. Mine is going to a separate page, but you can, let's see, right here. It shows you the back, the front, and styled stock. See, what we want is this right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Etsy. We're going to take that file and just drag it, boop, right there. And then there you go. You have two. If you want to change the primary to this, you change your mind and you want it this now, just grab it and put it over here. And now that's the first thing they will see. Make sure your description is good. Make sure your price point is good. If you have more than one color, we only have black, and you messed up the price point for any reason, instead of doing it manually here for every color, let me show you how to do this easier. Go back to your printed mint, my products, click on the product you would like to edit, edit properties, and right here is where you can make any changes. And these will go to any colors that you picked. And then update design. Go back to Etsy. Okay, category, it already shows you clothing t-shirts. That's perfect. You could select materials. And I know these shirts are cotton, 100% cotton. So I'll put that. And tags. Don't forget to put any tags here so people can find your listings. Made to order. You could change that if you like. You could decide whether or not you want this to automatically renew or manually. We'll leave it to manual for right now. Publish. So it'll let you know to fix the following errors. I saw them, but I just wanted to let you see how it would show up. So you have to pick a policy. We'll just pick this for now, but look into that more to choose which one is right for you. Simple policy applied. Item size. All right, for whatever reason, it's not accepting this, but it's optional, so you could just take this out. Let's try it now. This is just letting you know that there's a non-refundable fee of 20 cents for each listing. All right, so let's go over to active, maybe give it a quick refresh. There you go. It is now active. And if you want to see what it looks like in your shop, just go ahead and click preview. There you go. All the sizes. If you selected more than one color, the color will be right under here. And that's it. You just connected your Printed Mint account to Etsy and launched your very first product. Now go make something awesome and have fun creating.